In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload change cover homepage image on Shopify website. By the end, you'll confidently swap out your homepage hero image, the big banner visitors see first, so it matches your brand and looks great on every device. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store, then head to the Themes area. Make sure you're working on the theme you actually want to update. If you're editing a draft, your changes won't show on the live site until that theme is published. Now open the theme editor by selecting Edit Theme or Customize on your active theme card. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your homepage. Click directly on your large banner section in the preview to open its settings. Depending on your theme, this section might show a headline or button like Browse our latest products. Clicking that banner area is the quickest way to select the correct section without hunting through the sidebar. In the banner settings, look for the image control, often labeled Image, Background Image, or similar, and click Select. This opens your media library. Choose the image you want to use for your cover, making sure it's highlighted. If you need a new image, you can add it right here so it appears in your library, then select it. Aim for a wide, high-quality image so it stays sharp on large screens. A landscape orientation typically works best for hero banners. Keep file sizes optimized so your page loads quickly. After you've confirmed the image you want and it's highlighted, click Done to apply it to the section. Back in the preview, give it a quick look on desktop and mobile using the device icons at the top of the editor. The hero is often cropped differently on smaller screens, so check that the main subject stays visible. If your theme offers a focal point or overlay setting, use it to center attention and improve text contrast over the image. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save in the top right corner to make your change stick. Wait for the confirmation that your theme has saved successfully, then refresh your storefront to see the update live. If you were editing a draft theme, remember that the change is saved to that draft. That's it. Your homepage cover image is now updated. For best results, choose images that match your brand colors, keep on-screen text short and readable, and consider adding descriptive alt text in the same section for better accessibility and SEO. Thanks for following along.